In this class, we can study about continuous series median class. Okay. In this case, first we have to determine the median class and then median which lies in the median class by using this formula. Okay, by using this formula, we have to find out the median class. That one is the main thing. Okay, this is the continuous series. Already we studied last class. We studied about another series. Okay, today we can discrete series we study. Today we can study about continuous series. Okay, in this method, equation is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by frequency into H. Okay, here L is lower limit of frequency, that L is the lower limit of frequency, CF is the cumulative frequency, but here cumulative frequency preceding to the cumulative frequency of the median class, that one is the main point. Okay, then preceding class cumulative frequency, then H is the class interval, H is the class interval, then next one frequency in the median class. Okay, these are the main things in this formula, means L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by frequency into H. Okay, L is the lower limit, CF is the cumulative frequency of preceding class, H is the class interval, then F is the frequency. In this problem, we need to find out median. Compute the median daily wages. That one is the question. Here you can see the wages 20, 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Here this column you can see the number of workers 14, 28, 33, 30, 20, 15, 13, 7. Okay, what is the first step? We need to find out cumulative frequency. First, we can find out the cumulative frequency. How we can find out the cumulative frequency? First value is same. Okay, next one is 14 plus 28. Answer is 42. Next one 42 plus 33. It is 75. Next one 75 plus 30. What is the total value of 75 plus 30? It is 105. Next one 105 plus 20. It is 125. 125 plus 15. 140. Next one 140 plus 13. 153. Next one 153 plus 7. It is 160. Then we know the total of this number of workers or total of frequency is 160. Okay, then total is 160 and you can see here that one is 160. Okay, next we got the CF. Next step, we need to find out median class. For median class, what is the equation? First, we need to find out n by 2. N by 2. What is the n by 2? Means size of n by 2th item. That one we need to find out. Here, what is the n? Total number of frequency. What is total number of frequency? It is 160 divided by 2. It is 80. Okay, answer is 80. Then, answer is size of 18th item. That one is the answer. Okay, then we need to find out the 18th item. That median class we need to find out. Okay, then we know in this 14 it will not go. 42 it will not go. It's 80. Okay, it will not go in 42. It will not go in 75. It will go in 105. Okay. then we know it will, this 80 will go only in 105. Okay, first we need to find out the n by 2. From n by 2 we need to find out the median class. Okay, n by 2 is 80. We got n by 2 as 18th item. Then we need to find out where it will come 18th item. Where it will come? It will not come in 75. It will come in 105. Okay, then we need to mark this column, this class. Okay, 35 to 40, this class we need to mark. This is the median class. Okay, this is the median class. Where this 80 coming, that one is the median class. Okay, then we got the median class. Now we can apply the equation. What is the equation? L plus n by 2 divided by CF divided by n by 2 minus CF divided by frequency into H. That one is the equation. Then equation is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, here we need to find out the L. What is the L? L is the lower limit of this class. Okay, what is the L here? You can see this 35, that one is the L. L is the lower limit of that class. L is 35. Okay, L is 35. Next one, n by 2. N by 2 already we got. It is 80. Okay, next one is the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is preceding class cumulative. We need to take preceding class cumulative frequency. Here what is the preceding class cumulative frequency? It is 75. Then cumulative frequency is 75 and frequency is, what is the frequency? We need to take frequency of this median class. What is the frequency here? It is 30. Okay, then frequency is 30. Then next one is class interval. H is class interval. What is the class interval? 35 and 40 difference. What is the class interval? Here it is 5. Class interval is 5. Instead of H you can give C also. Okay, then H is 5. Okay, then you got 35, 80 means all the values you got. Now we can apply. Then we can apply the values. We know the lower limit. What is the lower limit? L equal to 35. Lower limit equal to 35. We can give 35 here. 35 plus next one n by 2 is 80. Then 80 means equation is, what is the equation? N by 2 minus CF, 80. Then CF. CF means preceding class cumulative frequency. We can give preceding class cumulative frequency value. That one is 75. Then this is the frequency divided by 30 into 5. 5 means class interval. Okay, this is the class interval. 5 means median class, class interval. Then next step we can do this subtraction. 35 plus 80 minus 75. 80 minus 75 means 5 divided by 30 into 5. Okay, then we can write it as 35 plus 0.16 means first we need to do this division. 5 divided by 30 into 5. Okay, that one we can write it as 35 plus 0.16 into 5. We can write it as 35 plus 0.83. First we can do this multiplication. Then 35 plus 0.83, answer is 35.83. This is the median of the this question. Okay, answer is 35.83. Okay. Next problem. In this problem we need to find out median. Okay, in this problem, this one is the daily wages. Okay, daily wages. Sorry, this is the yield in kg per hectare, and this is the number of farms in that village. Means near to 150 farms are there in that village. What is the yield from that village? That one is the this x column. Okay, then x 50 to 53, 53 to 56, 56 to 59, 59 to 62, 62 to 65, 65 to 68, and 68 to 71, 71 to 74, and 74 to 77. Okay, then we need to find out number of next column. This is the frequency 3, 8, 14, 30, 36, 28, 16, 10, 5. Next one is cumulative frequency. Okay, here first one is 3, same. Next one 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 14, 25. 25 plus 30, 55. 55 plus 36, 91. 91 plus 28, 119. 16 plus 119, 135. 135 plus 10, 145. Then 145 plus 5, it is 150. Then total is 150. That one is the n. Okay, total number of farm is 150. That one is n. Okay, now we can find out n by 2. n by 2 is 150 divided by 2. It is 75. Okay, 150. This is the total. 150 divided by 2, it is 75. Then what is the equation? L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into S. That one is the equation. First we can find out L 62, CF. How we got L as 62? Because this is the 75th item. Okay, we need to find out where this 75 will come in this cumulative frequency. It will not come in 3. It will not come in 11, 25, 55. It will come within 91 only. That reason we are selecting this class as median class. Okay, then this is the median class. Okay, from that median class we need to find out the lower limit. What is the lower limit? 62. Okay, then L is 62. Next step, next one is we need to find out the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that one is 55. We know the cumulative frequency of preceding class is 55. Okay, then we taken 55 as cumulative frequency. Then next one is frequency of the median class, that one is 36. And next one is class interval of that median class, that one is 62 and 65. Class interval is 3. Okay, then we got the numbers. Now we can find out the answer. Then we can apply the equation. Equation is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by frequency into H, F into H. Okay, we can apply the values. L is 62. 62 plus n by 2 is 75. CF is 55 divided by 36. Frequency is 36. 36 into 3. Okay, then we can write it as 62 plus 20 divided by, we can subtract this value. 75 minus 55 is 20. 20 divided by 36 into 3. Then we will get answer as 62 plus 1.66, like that we will get the answer. We can round it off. Okay, we can round it and we can write it as 1.67 means 62 plus 1.67, we can write it as 63.67. This is the median. Okay, this is the median. 63.67 is the median. Okay, this is the steps to find out the median in a continuous series. Okay, then what is the equation? L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by frequency into H. That one is the equation. Okay, in this one main thing is cumulative frequency. This is the main thing, cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. That is the important thing. Preceding median class value is the cumulative frequency. Okay, we will not take that same value, same cumulative frequency as cumulative frequency in this equation. We will take the value of the preceding median class. That one is the cumulative frequency, and this h is the magnitude of the median class interval. H is the magnitude of the median class interval. F is the frequency of the median class. Okay, then median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by frequency into h. This is the equation of the continuous series.